practice balancing a chemical equation. For this reaction, we have sodium hydroxide plus phosphoric acid, yielding sodium phosphate and water. So let's first take account of how many atoms of each element we have on each side of the equation. On both sides of the reaction, we're going to have sodium, oxygen, hydrogen, and phosphorus. And this is due to the conservation of matter, but we'll probably have these in different amounts. So let's start off with the reactants. We have 1 atom of sodium, 5 atoms of oxygen, 4 atoms of hydrogen, and 1 phosphorus atom. In the products, we have 3 atoms of sodium, 5 atoms of oxygen, 2 atoms of hydrogen, and 1 phosphorus atom. Now, the easiest place to start is where we have an element that is only present in one reactant and one product. In this case, that is our sodium. So since on the product side we have 3 atoms of sodium, we can add a coefficient of 3 to our sodium hydroxide, and that gets us to 3 atoms of sodium on the reactant side. But that will also impact our numbers for oxygen and hydrogen. So now instead of having 5 atoms of oxygen on the reactant side, we're going to have 7, and instead of having 4 atoms of hydrogen, we'll have 6. So now, how can we balance the products? The easiest place to start here is the hydrogen, since it's only present in one of our products. So currently we have 2 atoms of hydrogen on the product side, but we want 6. So what can we do here? Let's add a coefficient of 3 to our water, and that will get us to 6 hydrogen atoms, and when we look at our oxygen atoms, that will get us to 7. So now we've got 3 sodium atoms, 7 oxygen atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms, and 1 phosphorus atom, so our equation is balanced.